Good afternoon, everyone. How is everybody doing today? Welcome to SOMO at home. Let me get some light in here. Oh, there we go. There's some light. Now you can see me. Get my hair on my face. Alright. So, today I'm going to show you one of my favorite snacks. And I'm going to talk about Spirit Week next week. And we're going to go over the challenges that's on Flipgrid right now. And we'll see how it goes. So, before we get started, I want to mention the Target Circle fundraiser. Please still donate to that if you can. Okay, so this is my favorite snack. I don't know if you can tell what it is. I'm going to try. Okay. So, and you probably don't be able to read it. It's a strawberry banana yogurt. This one has 140 calories in it, so it's not the best, but if you're really looking for just a quick thing to get, you know, little thing yogurt's not too bad. So that is my healthy snack that I was going to show. Well, I had something else planned, but it didn't work, so. But that's what I have for healthy snack wise. Now, on to Flipgrid. And then I'm using my phone while I'm talking to you guys, so. Okay, so I'm on Flipgrid. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So, I'm on Flipgrid. And I'm going to go to SOMO at Home Leadership, or SOMO Lead. And the challenge for that right now is leader or follower. What does being a leader mean to you? Do you enjoy taking action, or do you like to wait until someone else takes the lead? And we already have two responses, Lena Hutchinson and Amanda. So, let's get some more responses, you guys. So we got two people in there. Next I'm going to go to SOMO Health, and we got the stair climbing challenge. Ooh, we got Anna, Amanda, and Lena. Or you can do high knees challenge. If you don't have a lot of stairs and you want to do high knees, you can do high knees. And then for SOMO at Home Fun, you could do, it's his favorite movie. If you could only watch one movie for the rest of your life, what would it be and why? What is your favorite character in that movie? And looks like we got Jessie and Lena. So, and then we also, if you want to be into the competition video or at the end of next week, you have to have your videos in, I'd say by the end of the day or the end of tomorrow. Definitely gotta get them in this week if you want to be in that video. Talking about that, we are going to talk about Spirit Week. Who's ready for it? I am. Don't know about you guys, but I am. So, Spirit Week is just to get us into the fun of the virtual games. There's a crazy hair day. There's a mixed match day, I think. So, Let me get that up and I will read it to you. Alright. SOMO Spirit Week. So I will show you what I'm looking at. So, don't know if you're going to be able to see it that well. Here. There we go. Now you can see Spirit Week. So this is Spirit Week, okay? We have, let me see if I can, stay right there. Alright, so we got Favorite Sports Team Day. That is Wednesday, June 1st. We have Wild Hair or Hat Day, June 2nd. We have Disney Day on Wednesday, June. I better read that, because I might. You have to look at my face so I can read this. Disney Day is June 3rd. Wild Hair or Hat Day is June 2nd. Favorite Sports Team Day is June 1st. SOMO Spirt Day is Friday, June 5th. And then we have opening ceremonies on Friday, June 5th. And then Saturday is Sports Zone SOMO Virtual Torch Run, an end of summer games video, and a dance. So, if you want to be in that end of virtual sports game video, you need to get that stuff in by the end of this week. Okay. So we went through all that. I'm going to show you my yogurt again because I figured out a better way so I can show you. So, this was the yogurt I was showing. It's a strawberry banana low-fat yogurt. I think that says it's a 1% milk fat, so it's good for you. That's all I can say. And it does taste really good. Okay. So that's all I have for you today. Please, if you haven't already, get some videos in so you can be in the video. Alright. I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.